Good morning, children. Welcome back on your science online classes. Yes, let's continue with the topic rusting. In the previous class, I had explained you about the rust. What is rust? A rust is oxidized iron. Rust means oxidation. Metals combined with the oxygen or the water, it forms a metal oxide. We also studied about the causes of rusting. How it causes. Now today we will learn about how to prevent rusting. What are the various methods by which corrosion can be prevented? So there are the several methods by which corrosion can be prevented so that the metal does not come in contact with the air and moisture. So let's see. First method is given there is by painting. Yes. So first method is what? Painting. Yes, the exposed surface is painted. Since paint contains oil, it forms a thin protective layer on the metal and prevent it from getting corroded. Yes, by painting, we can prevent it from the corrosion. The exposed surface means the outer surface of metal is painted so that it does not come contact with the air, oxygen or the moisture which is present in our atmosphere, in our surrounding, and it prevents from the getting corroded. So this is the first method. By painting we can prevent it from the corrosion. Now the second method, you see, by greasing. All metals especially that metals parts of a machines are regularly coated with the grease or the oil to save them from getting corroded due to wear and tear. Yes, all metals parts of a machines are regularly coated with the oil or the grease to save them from getting corroded, or otherwise from that the sound, if it is not oiled, if it is not greased properly, then from that some sound it produces. So second method is by greasing we can prevent it from the rusting. Now the third method is alloying. Third method is alloying. What is alloying? Alloying means mixing a two or three metals in their molten state homogeneously. By this method, metals are prevented from getting rust. Yes, it can prevent it from the corrosion. Example of alloying is stainless steel. Stainless steel is obtained by mixing of iron and the iron, nickel and the chromium. Stainless steel is free from the corrosions. It cannot be corroded. Yes, why? Because it is a alloy. Stainless is a alloy of a iron, nickel and a chromium. Another example of alloying is a brass. Brass is an alloy of a zinc and the copper. So by alloying we can prevent the metal from the corrosion. Now the next method is about anodizing. What is anodizing? This is another method. In this method, forming an artificial oxide layer of aluminium on the surface of the metal. This oxide layer also known as aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide, it is a transparent ceramic, not a metal, and is much harder than a aluminium. It is a highly scratchable resistance. It is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. The layer of aluminium oxide prevents it from the corrosion. So this is about the anodizing. Now the next method is about galvanizing. What is a galvanizing? Galvanizing, it is the process in which the metal is dipped in molten zinc For example, that pipes, corrugated metal roof sheets, and many other articles are galvanized to increase their resistance to prevent it from the corrosions from the weather. Okay, so this is about the galvanizing. Now the last method is about electroplating. What is electroplating? Electroplating is the last method to prevent it from the corrosion. It is the process of coating a protective layer of metal on another metal by means of electrolysis. It prevents the metal layer from coming in contact with the air and the moisture. For example, the handlebar of a cycle, you can see that it looks silvery or shining in nature, shining brightly. Why? Because they are made up of iron electroplating with the nickels and the chromium. So this is about the electroplating. So what are the various methods we had studied? There are the several methods by which the corrosion can be prevented, so the metal does not come in contact with the air and the moisture. So what is the first method? First method is by painting. By painting the metal, we can prevent it from the corrosion. Second method, by greasing. By greasing means by putting oil or the grease, we can prevent the metal from the corrosion. And by alloying also, we can prevent the metal from the corrosion. And another one is a anodizing. Anodizing means in this method forming a artificial oxide layer of aluminium on the surface of a metal. And the next one is galvanizing. Galvanizing, it is the process in which the metal is dipped in a molten zinc. Okay, and the last one is electroplating. Electroplating means it is a process of it is a process of coating a protective layer of metal on the another metal by the process of electrolysis. So this is about the electroplating. So these are the various methods from which we can prevent it from corrosions. Okay, I hope it is clear to you people, and in the next class I will explain you about the crystallization. What is a crystallization? Formation of a crystals. So I hope it is clear to you people. Once again you go through it and read the lesson. Okay, thank you.